What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and Pepe Coin. Okay, we talked about this, we've covering this. There isn't a ton of news to really talk about Pepe other than a couple of interesting price movements and some updates on social. So we're going to take a look at exactly what's going on with Pepe as well as the cryptocurrency markets. If that's something you like, be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything right now in the space. And with that being said, let's get on over. So the current market cap 1.12 trillion. We're 0.34% up on the day. See Bitcoin there 26,864 now. We are hoping to see that break 30k over the course of the next coming week as we see market sentiment improve and global economics start to look a little bit more bullish. ETH sitting there at 1818. As we come down the list, we are down quite a way to Pepe Coin being the number 68th highest ranked cryptocurrency, down 5%, 1526 right now. We are seeing a bit of a downward pressure on Pepe Coin right now, $157 million. And you might be asking yourself the question, well, why is that? And what we are seeing, however, is another coin out there. I just dropped a video on it. Go and check it out. Refund token that is sucking volume. It's sucking money. This thing is going absolutely insane. But Pepe needs to continue to build. There is a lot of things coming, we think, this week that could be very, very good news for Pepe. Well, what did we get? Ultimately, we can't forget the fact this ran up quicker than Shiba Inu. This absolutely had bigger adoption. Shiba Inu got to $1 billion quicker than Shiba Inu. The one big test was always going to be Coinbase and was always going to be what happens when ultimately volume dries up and the hype stops. And we did see that. We saw kind of a bit of monetary policy come out from the Fed. We also then saw just a big dump in the market, which kind of stalled Pepe in its tracks. The trouble you've got with the meme coin is it doesn't have a lot to fall back on, but it says, the firm reported that the average value per holder of Pepe calculated the market cap value per holder shows a similar but accelerated growth pattern when compared to SHIB. Pepe holders have seen immense profits with altcoin displaying nearly 5 million% in just a few weeks. This remarkable increase accumulated in a peak price of that 50431, giving the coin market cap $1.8 billion in just over 3 weeks. Absolutely insane, which is why it's even more interesting that Refund Token is going even quicker than what Pepe did. However, since reaching its zenith, the Pepe token has corrected and is currently trading down nearly 62%, adding to Pepe's remarkable performance. A viral tweet highlighted the speed in which Pepe reached $1 billion market cap. It took Pepe just 19 days to hit that milestone. The feat that took SHIB 279 days, and Ethereum 287 days, with Bitcoin 1579, Dogecoin 2,585 days. So in terms of how you got to that point, it absolutely did rocket its ship all the way up to that $1 billion market cap. Now, despite these promising numbers, it's important to highlight the volatility and unpredictable nature of cryptocurrency markets, particularly its tenfold in the meme coin space, as the swift drop in Pepe's value after its peak demonstrates the susceptibility of these coins to rapid value fluctuations. The debate is always going to be whether Pepe had a place post that massive run up. Now, again, we can see the chart here. It is consolidating on these levels. Again, we did drop down just to hold off on this kind of 14.9 range that we want to see it kind of push back up again. But we are sitting, like I said, 15.219, consolidating sideways. We saw this big spike up where we assumed or we thought or we hoped there was going to be a Coinbase listing. I think everyone's still in a world where we fingers crossed we're going to see that. But right now, we know that in the space, meme coin money is very specific. What is the hot topic right now? And then we tend to see a fluctuation of money going into that, to the point where people will even sell. There's some very interesting big money holding whales in meme coins that absolutely are in a world of this money that just keeps flipping between all these coins. Ultimately, you are going to lose out in the end because you are chasing green candles, you're chasing pumps. So look, right now with Pepe, this consolidation sideways, I think if we drop to a lower banding, then there may be some cause for concern. Is there really going to be a pump back up to the threes? It will take a big listing and some big news to do that, but look, what time will only tell. What is good news though for anyone Pepe holders? Well, we have absolutely got this. Get out now. Sell all of your Pepe. I mean, I don't know if this is actually true or not, but ultimately Jim Cramer advises to sell Pepe immediately. Well, we know Jim Cramer's view on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency markets. We'll see if this actually pans out. Fingers crossed. However, if not, it's a very, very good meme. And then ultimately, what's going on the Pepe website? Well, we're getting these kind of interesting little tweets. Meditating Pepe. We obviously have the Cake platform now on BSC that you can use Pepe to earn that. And we then get our listing on Bitfinex as well in the last 24 hours. So things are indeed warming up when it comes to Pepe. This utility that we're not, no one's going to have this utility. We want to see some burns from some burn projects, but ultimately, what is going to drive the price of Pepe? Well, I think when we start to see some little links in to things like the BNB pancake swap, things, you know, where we can get now payments, starting to use things like that, are a benefit to Pepe. We do, however, need that big exchange listing. We do, however, need some positive moves in the market. Like I say, the reality though, with Bitcoin currently sitting around 26.8, the whole market is sitting pretty flat right now, and we do need to see some positive sentiment up there. So I think if we get that, we could definitely see that move up with Pepe. I think a big listing could absolutely be a big catalyst for Pepe, and we'll see what happens this week. Could be a very interesting one, but a lot of people watching this very closely. Don't be fooled, but let's see what happens this week. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.